This farm's been in my family since the early 40s. Growing up, we didn't have a babysitter. It was you go with mom and dad and farm. It was a good life, a lot of freedom, a lot of fun. At an early age, I was hands-on, always fixing something, driving John Deere tractors. I pretty much grew up on a 40-20 tractor. We used it for everything, plowing, disking, chopping, baling.
As a kid, it's like you have so much land, so you're curious and you're exploring. I would run into the cornfield, but Dad usually would always find me. I would write a lot, and then I would perform. Dad would always bring me to my auditions. So this is my studio. Gizmo and I, we sit in this chair. I walk around my dad's farm and come up with all these different ideas. It's so peaceful.
The tools become a part of my extended body. I don't really think on how the controls work. I'm looking at how to make the piece of equipment do what I want it to do.
It is not common for farmers to have a runway out of their backyard. And my dad, he forgets.
It's about 70 feet wide, and it's a half-mile long.
Other people will fly in, and we get to, meet people, bring in a community.
Avery, 116, Foxtrot Papa. This is a federal private airport, so I have to maintain it because it's on maps. It's emergency landing. It takes about 4 hours to mow the airstrip and the taxiway. I just checked the oil, just checking it over. This is a Z930A. All my equipment's John Deere. It's dependable. I can get the parts quickly from my dealer. The service is really good.
I help cut the airstrip, and I also mow some of the yard up front. I didn't know that there was any other brands out there. I thought tractors and combines and all that was just John Deere. That's all that he ever had. My dad is my best friend. He's always had my back. He's just there for me. Hi, Dad.
Hi. As a father, I want my children to pursue what makes them happy in life. I'm David Randall.
I'm Jahnna Lee Randall. This is Gizmo the Chihuahua.
And this is our farm.